Hi, my name is Annika, and this is Creating an Equivalent Problem Show. We have four contestants only. There's Alyssa, who is Poppy, Kay, who likes to solve problems like 2 times 3 equals 6. And then we have Nick, who is Neek. Okay, so I'm going to be writing some problems on the board, just like this one, and seeing if one of my contestants know the answer. So, let's just erase this problem for a moment. And sorry, Kay, if it makes you sad to erase some problems. You see it, you hear that whimpering? Yeah, that's bad. Okay, well, we have another problem. It's 64 times 4. Who knows this answer? Beep! Alright, so I guess Alyssa, who is Poppy, knows the answer. Okay, so, first, we take 64 and 4. So to make this problem easier, let's cut 64 in half, which is 32. And since we cut 64 in half, we have to double 4. So that would be 8. And I think this problem is easier because 30 times 8 equals 240, and 2 times 8 equals 16. And when we add that together, equals 256. So, Alyssa did some fabulous work, but I guess she doesn't like to do all that stuff. So, I just erased it. I'm sorry. But we have another problem, which I think I can remember if I think it is 98 times 4. And I believe I'm correct. So to write on this chalkboard. Here we go. I want you to be able to see these problems. Alright. See? 98 times 4. Okay. So, who knows this answer? Beep! Alright, it looks like Nicholas, who is Neek, likes to show us this problem. Come on up, Nick. Okay, 98 times 4. We divide these to 2, so it's 49. And when we divide this by 2, we double this, so it's gonna be 8. So 49 times 8 is 8 times 9, 72, and 4 times 4, 32, so it's 392. Alright, so this was some beautiful work. So I guess Nicholas, where's the chalk? Oh, there it is. I guess he likes to hide some chalk. Okay, well, I'll just erase this because I have another problem for some people. And our problem is I hope you can read my handwriting. Might be a little bit messed up. And I'm going to write over here. Alright. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay. So, who would like to know this problem? Who knows this problem? All right. bet you add just a little bit more, not only answering the problem, but maybe a little bit more stuff.
Okay, since 42 is an even number, I'm going to break that in half, which is 21. And since 19 is an odd number, you can't break it in half, I'm going to have to double it, which is 38. And so, 20 times 38 is 760, and 1 times 38 equals, of course, 38. And the answer would be 798. Thank you.
Alright, so I have one more problem only. Okay. 123 times 98. Who knows this problem? Alright, so I guess nobody knows this problem. I'll be able to do it by myself, and I'll show you. So, 98 is not an even number. Well, it is an even number, sorry. So that means we can divide it in half. 98, I'm just going to put a slash there so I know which is which. Equals 49. Well, it doesn't equal it, but 49 plus 49 equals 98. But 123 can't be divided in half. So, I'll show over here that 123 times, no, I'll just do plus. That almost looks like a times. I just do times. But times 2, I don't know which one to do. It's hard. Okay, 3 times 2 equals 6. And then 2 times 2 equals 4. And then 1 times 2 equals 2, of course, because, you know, if 2 times 2 is like that. So, I was wondering, what can I divide it up into? Well, we'll put the 49 on this, we'll put 49 right here, times something, which we'll know later on. And another 49 because we gotta do that again. This is a pretty big number to divide, so I would like to show you how I would like to break it apart. I broke it apart before, but I'd like to show you how to do it. So, I'll break it apart into 200, wait, no, it can't be 200. Sometimes very tricky, but I'll think about it. But 240 and 6. So I'll just put the 6 right here, and I'll just do this problem. 9 times 6 equals 54, so I'll put the 4 down there. And there's no reason why to put a 5, but I put the 5 up here. 4 times 6 equals 24, and 24 plus 5 equals 29. Now this one, why would I put another 49 on the top when, well, we already done 6, so we can cross that out. But 240 we haven't. So 240 is a bigger number than 49. So we will erase 49 and put 49 on the bottom. And then put 240 on the top. 0 times 9 equals 0. 4 times 9 equals 36. You put the 6, oh, whoops. I just keep on thinking wrong today. But you put the 6 right there, and you put the, so I said 36, so you put the 3 up there. And then you do 2 times times 9, which is 18. 18 times 18 plus 3 equals 21. And then you do 0 times 4, because you got to do the 4 too, or else it wouldn't be anything. I put a 0 down there and I put a 4 because the 4 is in the tens place, not in the 1 digits place. So I put a 0 right there so they would be all lined up correctly. But if you don't do that, you can also erase the 0 and you can just have that. But 4 times 4 equals 16, so I would do just the same as the other one. Instead of 3, because it was with the 9, I put a 1. And 2 times 4 equals 6, and 6 plus 1 equals 7. Now, if I add those up together, because I got to add to get the product, I'm going to have to kneel because I have to do this. It would equal 0, and then another 0, because 6 plus 4 equals 10. Put the 1 up there. 6 plus 1 equals 7, plus 1 equals 8. And then 2 plus 7 equals 9. 9,800. So you have two products. That one and that one. We'll cross out 240 because we already used that one. So we used most of our things. 900, oh, whoops, not 900. 9,800 plus 294. You add it up. So 0 plus 4 equals 4. And then 9. 10 with a 0, 1, you get 10. That's my answer. Alright, so, this problem works with even and uneven and even times even. Well, odd and even, stuff like that. But sometimes it doesn't work. Because you know what? What if the problem was 97 times 17, let's say. Alright, so we can add 17 plus 17. 7 plus 7 equals 14. And then 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. Alright, so we got that down. That's really good. But if we try 97 divided like that, we can't really divide 97 into something. See, I do my division this way. You might not. You might do it a different way. But this is my strategy. I put a little division box like that. And we're dividing it by 2. Because we're trying to break it in half. Well, 2 can go into 9 4 times. Because 2 times 8, not 2 times 8, but 2 times 4 equals 8. And then 8 times 2, 8 times 2 equals, it's hard to understand. So we can't really do that problem. So sometimes this equation can sometimes work and sometimes it doesn't work. So that's sometimes how it does work and it doesn't work. And this is our show! Alright, so, we've done like 3, I guess, I'm thinking, but, there's another one. So, I know you're very sleepy and you're ready to go to bed, but not quite yet. We have another one, which is 36 times 10 Who knows this problem?
Meeble.
Alright, looks like Kason knows this problem. Alright, so Kason knows this problem. He will put the answer right there, and I hope he can read this very well. Okay, so there's the problem.
Okay. We can make this problem smaller by making it 18, which is half of 36, and 20, which is 2 tens put together. And to make that even easier, we can do 10 times 20 and 8 times 20. Then we know that 10 times 20 is 200, and 8 times 20 is 160. And if we add 200 and 160, we get 360, which is our answer.